start this whole trading thing over, I wish I would have learned this strategy a lot sooner. This strategy is super simple, not exciting at all. It happens once or twice a day, and you only need one indicator. This is the exact strategy that I used to retire from the classroom of over 15 years, and I'm gonna break it down in detail right now. Let's go to the charts. All right, y'all, let's break down this awesome trade, this over 100% trade that we took live. This trade I was able to make $1,600 on, and we took this live with our friends in the academy. So first things first, my friend, the strategy we're talking about is called the ORB strategy, or the orb, right? And to get that indicator, remember I told you there's only one indicator. All you have to do is go to the indicator section here and type ORB, and it's opening range breakout by ZZZ Crypto 123. Okay, once you have added that chart, very important here, very important, don't miss this part here. Make sure you go to the gear stick station here and change the setting. You want it to say ORB total time minutes 15, and you want the session time to be 9:30 to 9:45. Very important. What that does now, my friends, is when the market is open, right, the orb is going to mark the high and the low of the first 15 minutes. Okay, so the highest the price went in the first 15 minutes and the lowest. The orb now is going to be here for the entire trading day, and it's always going to be a critical level. The ORB high can be a level of resistance, or the ORB low can be a level of support. Now, what we want to use the ORB strategy for is we want to see if price is able to break and retest that level, right? Confirm that now that level that used to be a resistance is now turning into a floor, and that level of support is now turning into a level of resistance. Now, along with that, my friends, I like to draw pre-market high and pre-market low levels. Okay, so in this pre-market area here, if you don't have this on your chart yet, make sure you go to the settings section here, and then make sure when you go to symbols, your session says extended trading, right? If not, it's going to have regular. Once you have that extended on there, you're going to get this orange area. And with this orange area, all you want to do is make sure you're able to mark the high and the low during that time period. Okay, now, reason that's important is that in this trade itself, we got to see that prior to price breaking out of the pre-market levels and the orb, price was very much in like a little range. Okay, now once we got to price broke through the ORB low, which is my red line here, we get to see that price tried to break through here, and guess what it did? It retested that level. Okay, it retested it, and then it pushed back down. Now, once we got that retest and that push back down, we now see a nice little flag forming here, right? A nice little flag forming here. And then this is where we're entering at the break of that flag. Okay, the break of that flag. I entered right below the break of this flag here. And one of the things I want you to write down in your notes, remember, note takers are money makers, is that you don't ever want to get into a trade if you don't know where you're going to get out. So right here at the break of this flag, also that's the break of pre-market low, was my entry into this trade. Now I want to give a special prize or surprise to y'all who stay all the way to the end of the video. So stay to the end of the video. I got a special prize for you at the end for watching and learning, because you're learning, right? So y'all, we caught this live. If you ever want to trade with us live, check the description box down below. Also, we have free resources, so just click the link in my description. So y'all, with this trade, we were able to enter at the break of pre-market low and also the break of this flag. Use the level of 649 as a profit target. As you can see, price had a hard time with this. It bounced around here, and that's why we do have profit targets, because we do anticipate that price may react to certain levels. So price did react here, and we use that as a target to take profit. Now, after that, all we have in the trade are what we call runners, okay? And runners are left to go make more money in the trade. Okay, and as you can see, price played around for a bit here, but still was able to push down. A beautiful trade was had here. But the beauty of this setup, my friends, is that we had to have patience. One of the things that as a trader that wants to have longevity in this market and you want to have success, you need to develop patience. Patience for your setup to produce itself, and also patience for the trade to be able to play out. If we were impatient, and this is one of the things that we work on heavily in the academy, is to have the patience to wait for our setup, you would have been caught up in happen these icky moments here, and we try to avoid those a lot because of the fact that no one wants to be trading inside of chop. So we were able to catch this beautiful trend down, take profit all on live, right? So y'all, if y'all ever want to trade with us live, hear our thought process, see our screen, actually learn how to do this thing called trading with my husband and myself. If you are unable to trade during the morning and you're like, hey, I want to do futures, we have an awesome futures division. All you have to do is comment the word trade also, so you can get access to the information for futures. So my friends, I appreciate you watching. So those of you who are still here, thanks for hanging out with me. If you ever want to actually join the academy, go ahead and use the code YT40 to get 40% off your first month's membership as a special thank you for watching this video. If you have not done so yet, go ahead and give me a like and hit that subscribe button. You know how YouTube do, and help your girl out with that. And until the next one, I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. See you on the next one.